Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Coffee Chat, the podcast where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Great to be here with all of you today.
So, Jack, I have a question for you. When was the last time you went out to eat?
Actually, Emily, I went to this amazing Italian place last weekend. The pasta was incredible.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. Going to restaurants is such a common activity, but for English learners, it can feel a bit intimidating.
You're absolutely right. I remember when I was learning languages, ordering food was always nerve-wracking. You're in a new place, there's a menu you don't understand, and someone's waiting for you to speak.
Exactly. But here's the good news. Restaurant English uses the same phrases over and over. Once you learn them, you're set for life.
That's what we're going to cover today. We'll walk through an entire restaurant experience from the moment you walk in until you leave.
Before we dive in, though, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It really helps us create more content for you.
And drop a comment telling us, what's the most challenging part of ordering food in English for you? We read every single comment.
All right, Jack, let's set the scene. I've just walked into a restaurant. The delicious smell of food is everywhere. What happens first?
Well, usually right by the entrance, you'll see someone. Could be a host, hostess, or sometimes just a waiter. They'll greet you with something like good evening or hi there, welcome.
And what should I say back?
Keep it simple. Just say hello or hi with a smile. Then they'll typically ask how many in your party or table for how many.
So that's when I need to tell them how many people are with me.
Exactly. You can say table for two, please, or just two of us, please. If you're alone, table for one works perfectly.
What if the restaurant looks busy? Should I ask about waiting?
Good thinking. You could ask, how long is the wait, or is there a wait time? They'll let you know if you need to wait or if they have a table available.
Okay, so they found us a table. Now what?
The host will usually say something like, right this way, or follow me, please. They'll lead you to your table and might say, your server will be right with you.
And that's when we sit down and wait for the waiter or waitress to come, right?
That's right. Usually they'll bring menus, or the menus are already on the table. Sometimes they'll also bring water right away.
Speaking of menus, let's talk about what's actually on them. That can be confusing for learners.
Great point. Most menus are divided into sections. You've got appetizers. Those are small dishes you eat before the main meal.
Some people call them starters too, right?
Yes, starters and appetizers are the same thing. Things like soup, salad, chicken wings, or mozzarella sticks.
Then comes the main course or entree. That's your actual meal.
Correct. That's the big dish. Could be steak, fish, pasta, a sandwich, whatever you want as your primary food.
And we can't forget dessert at the end, the sweet stuff, cakes, pies, ice cream.
My favorite part. Plus, you'll see a drink section. Beverages like coffee, tea, soda, juice, or alcoholic drinks.
Okay, so I'm looking at this menu, and honestly, I need a minute to decide. The waiter comes over and asks, are you ready to order? But I'm not. What do I say?
Perfect scenario. Just politely say, could we have a few more minutes? Or not quite yet, thank you.
That's it? That simple?
That's simple. They'll smile and say no problem or take your time, and they'll come back later.
All right, now I've decided. I want the grilled salmon with vegetables. The waiter's back. How do I order?
There are a few natural ways to do this. You can say, I'll have the grilled salmon, please.
I'll have. That sounds very natural.
It is. Another option is, could I get the grilled salmon? Or the slightly more formal, I'd like the grilled salmon, please.
All three work?
All three are perfect. Use whichever feels comfortable. The key is adding please at the end. It's always appreciated.
What if I have questions about the dish? Like, I'm not sure what comes with it or how it's prepared.
Great question. Don't hesitate to ask. You could say, what comes with the salmon? Or does that include a side dish?
What if I want to change something? Like, what if it comes with fries, but I want a salad instead?
You can definitely ask. Say something like, can I substitute the fries for a salad? Or could I have a salad instead of fries?
And they'll usually say yes?
Most places will accommodate substitutions, though some might charge a small extra fee. They'll let you know either way.
Okay, I've ordered my main dish. What about drinks?
The waiter will typically ask, "And what would you like to drink?" Or "Anything to drink?"
So I could say, I'll have iced tea, please, or just water for me, thanks.
Perfect. And here's a tip. If you just say water, they might ask still or sparkling. Still is regular water, sparkling is carbonated.
Good to know. So my order's in. Now I wait. How long does that usually take?
Depends on the restaurant and what you ordered. The waiter might say something like, "That'll be right out," or "Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
And while we're waiting, what if I need something, like more water or some napkins?
Just catch your waiter's eye and politely say, "Excuse me, could we have some more water?" Or "Could I get some extra napkins, please?"
The food arrives. What does the waiter typically say?
Usually something like, "Here's your grilled salmon," while placing it in front of you. Then they'll often ask, "Can I get you anything else?" Or say, "Enjoy your meal."
And I should respond?
A simple "thank you" or "this looks great, thanks" is perfect.
Now I'm eating and it's delicious. But what if something's wrong? What if my food is cold or it's not what I ordered?
That's important to know how to handle. Be polite but direct. You could say, "Excuse me, I think there's been a mistake. I ordered the salmon, but this is chicken."
And if the food isn't cooked right?
You'd say something like, "I'm sorry, but this steak is a bit too rare for me. Could you cook it a bit longer?"
Will they be upset?
Not at all. Good restaurants want you to be happy. They'll apologize and fix it right away. Just be nice about it.
Okay, everything's fine. I'm eating my meal. The waiter comes by and asks, how is everything? What should I say?
If it's good, keep it simple. "It's delicious, thank you." Or "Everything's great." If you're really enjoying it, you could say, "This is amazing," or "Really good."
I'm finishing up my meal. I'm pretty full, but the waiter asks, would you like to see the dessert menu? I'm tempted, but I'm not sure.
You have options here. If you want dessert, say, "Yes, please." If you're too full, you can say, "No, thank you, I'm quite full," or "Not today, thanks."
What if I want to take food home? I couldn't finish everything.
That's very common. Just ask, "Could I get a box for this?" or "Could I have this to go?" In some places, people say "doggy bag," though that's a bit old-fashioned now.
They'll pack it up for me?
They will. They'll take your plate, box it up in the kitchen, and bring it back to you.
Perfect. Now comes the part everyone needs to know, paying the bill. How do I ask for it?
When you're ready to leave, catch the waiter's attention and say, "Could we have the check, please?" or "The bill, please."
Check or bill? What's the difference?
In American English, check is more common. In British English, it's bill. But honestly, everyone understands both terms.
The waiter brings the bill. It's in a little folder or tray usually. What do I do?
Look it over to make sure everything's correct. Check that all your items are there and the prices match the menu.
What if something's wrong?
Politely point it out. "I think there might be an error here. We only had 2 drinks, not 3.
And if everything's fine?
You can pay with cash or card. If you're paying with a card, you can just put it in the folder and the waiter will take it to process.
What about tipping? That's confusing for a lot of people.
Tipping customs vary by country. In the US, the standard is 15 to 20% for good service. In the UK, it's usually 10 to 12%, and in some countries, tipping isn't expected at all.
How do I know what to do?
When in doubt, you can ask a local or check online before you go. Some restaurants automatically add a service charge to the bill, so check for that.
So I've paid, I've left a tip, now I'm ready to go. Should I say anything?
As you're leaving, it's nice to thank the waiter or say goodbye. A simple "Thank you, everything was great," or "Thanks, have a good evening" is lovely.
That's such a complete process. Let's practice it now. Jack, how about you play the waiter and I'll be the customer?
Perfect. Let's do this from start to finish. Here we go. Good evening. Welcome to Blue Harbor Restaurant.
Good evening.
How many in your party tonight?
Just one, please.
Wonderful. Right this way. Here's your table and here's your menu. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of white wine, please.
Excellent choice. I'll be right back with that and I'll give you a few minutes to look at the menu.
Thank you.
Here's your wine. Are you ready to order or would you like a few more minutes?
I'm ready. I'd like to start with a Caesar salad, and for my main course, I'll have the grilled chicken with roasted vegetables.
Perfect. And how would you like that chicken cooked?
Medium, please.
Great. So that's one Caesar salad and one grilled chicken medium with vegetables. I'll put that in for you right away.
Wonderful, thank you.
Here's your Caesar salad. Enjoy. And your main course will be out shortly.
This looks delicious, thanks.
And here's your grilled chicken with vegetables. Can I get you anything else?
Actually, could I have some more water, please?
Absolutely. I'll bring that right over. There you go. How is everything tasting?
It's really excellent, thank you.
I'm so glad to hear that. Just let me know if you need anything. Would you like to see our dessert menu?
No, thank you. I'm quite full. Could I have the check, please?
Of course. I'll be right back with that. Here's your bill. Take your time. No rush.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. I'll process this and be right back. Here's your card and receipt. Thank you for dining with us this evening.
Thank you. Everything was wonderful. Have a great night.
You too. Come back and see us soon.
That was fantastic. See how it all flows together?
It really does. Once you know the phrases, the whole experience becomes so much easier.
I think the key is not to overthink it. These are simple, everyday expressions.
Absolutely. And remember, restaurant staff deal with people from all over the world. They're used to different accents and language levels.
That's a great point. They want you to have a good experience, so they'll be patient and helpful.
One more tip I'd add, don't be afraid to ask them to repeat something if you didn't understand.
Yes, you can say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that?" Or, "Could you say that again, please?"
No one will think badly of you for that. It shows you're paying attention and want to get it right.
So, to wrap up, let's quickly review the essential phrases everyone should know.
Sure, when you arrive, table for two, please.
When ordering, "I'll have the," or "I'd like the."
To ask questions, what comes with that? Or could I have?
If you need something, "Excuse me, could we have?"
To check on the food, how is everything? Gets answered with, it's delicious, thank you.
And to finish, "Could we have the check, please?"
Those core phrases will get you through any restaurant visit.
And always remember your magic words, please and thank you. They work in every situation.
They really do. Politeness is universal.
Well, Jack, I think we've covered everything. I'm feeling hungry now after all this talk about food.
Me too. Maybe we should go grab lunch after this.
That's a perfect idea. We can practice all these phrases in real life.
Before we go, everyone, we want to hear from you. Leave us a comment and tell us what's your favorite restaurant dish to order and what's been your most memorable restaurant experience in English.
We love reading your comments and hearing about your experiences. It helps us create better content for you.
And if you found this episode helpful, please share it with a friend who's learning English. The best way to support us is to spread the word.
Next episode, we're going to talk about another everyday situation, shopping in English. You won't want to miss it.
Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's right. Every conversation is practice, and practice makes progress.
Thanks so much for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.